Hello moms, and welcome to this special tutorial all about using a breast pump. Whether you're a first-time mother or already on your breastfeeding journey, this video is here to help you understand how to use a breast pump properly and safely. We'll cover everything, from choosing the right pump to cleaning it, using it step by step, and safely storing breast milk for your little one.